Good morning. Not sure if this is gonna go up before or after a video that was spare the moment all of a sudden. I'm gonna unbox my Ipsy / Boxycharm, and I'm gonna move this mirror, and I'm gonna explain to y'all why. I think I'll go ahead and put this video up first so I can do some more research. I put on some makeup this morning. I put on the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, which, as you can tell, I haven't used very often, but when I have used it, I've liked it, and it's worked beautifully. I put it on. About 45 minutes later, went and ate breakfast. About 45 minutes later, came back in here to sit and do a video. When I sat down, I noticed my makeup was breaking up on one side. Well, on all of it. Like, there was patches everywhere where it was actually not even on my face. And I mean, I had a problem with the color because it was a little too dark, which that happens a lot. I'm trying to figure out this lighting situation. That happens a lot sometimes because I need to start going in the store and getting my foundation and not just ordering it online. But I need to also, I need to move this. I cleaned the mirror with that, making sure it wasn't the mirror. Alright, anyways, the makeup was breaking up. So I decided, okay, I've used Rare Beauty all week. I had used this. I'm not sure how many times I used it before. This is the e.l.f. Niacinamide Grip Primer. And I used this Rare Beauty foundation on this side. I used the Rare Beauty that I've been using primer and the foundation on this side, which this side is doing great. Let me get the mirror and make sure. There's a couple of little spots where they meet that it's breaking up, but over here it's all fine. Over here it's patchy again. So I'm gonna look up at some things, and I literally just finished doing that part. And right after, I was putting on the powders and the setting sprays and everything, and then I had to go back and talk to y'all again because it had already started breaking up on this side. So we're doing a deep in, and from now on I won't do I'll do a first impression, but later in the day I'm gonna check in, or I'm gonna try it separately from a video. I'm going to start doing my research even more because I want to be honest with y'all on where you're spending your money. And I think everybody's been saying this is a great primer, which is why I bought it. And now I'm watching my makeup disintegrate before my eyes. So I don't know. Anyways, let yourself bloom is the thing. Talking about SPF myths. There's nothing here saying what all's here. I know that when I was getting it ready, it said it was like $171. So I'm going to take everything out just to get this box off of this desk area. I need to get an actual desk right here. Alright. I'm keeping everything on the side that I have it on so that I could make sure to double check. Okay, the first thing is SL Miss Glam. I got some brushes. And I'm going to put them back in here because I'm about to go through my brushes. I got a new brush holder. My new theory is anything I use will fit in here. Anything I don't use, get rid of. I'm trying to streamline. This was only 20 bucks on Amazon. I'm going to do an Amazon favorites video. And unlike all these other people who do it, I don't get paid. I don't get a commission. If the link is in the description, I truly like it. So these brushes, they're nice and fluffy. I'm not going to touch them all. I don't even know which. This is a precision face brush. Okay. Flat face brush. I wonder if that's like, I don't know. And this is a eye blending brush. I got these cute little things on them, I thought. Yeah, little diamonds. But they're kind of nice. I'll put them back in here. I'm not sure how much those cost. I know SL Miss Glam brushes are not cheap. Pore Perfecting Primer, Matte Finish, EVO Beauty. Let's see if there's a, hopefully it's closed. It is. Okay. So I'm not going to open that up, especially right now having issues with some primers. Alright. The next thing is Dominique Cosmetics Smooth and Blur Powder. It says, use Smooth and Blur setting powder anywhere you like to set makeup, reduce shine, or prevent creasing, specifically under eyes, T-zone, and beneath the cheekbones. Apply dip damp essential beauty sponge into Smooth and Blur setting powder, then lightly press sponge onto your skin. Keep pressing until powder is fully blended. Or swirl a face brush, okay, in the Smooth and Blur setting powder. Tap to remove excess powder and sweep over face. Okay. I'm about to say, why would I, that seems, I'm guessing if you have like really oily skin, that might be a good way to do your powder. I don't know. I don't have really oily skin. But I like this, it's like matte finish on the outside. And it's very beautiful inside. And this little area here, I like to tap my powder into it. And it says once you open, it's good for 12 months. But we're not opening it yet because we have a lot of powder we haven't used yet. So we're going to leave it in the container. The next thing I have is a Fenty Beauty Balm Posse eyeshadow palette. I did pick out this eyeshadow palette because I had never had a Fenty Beauty product besides, I don't think I've ever had an eyeshadow palette. And I was excited to put these on, and I was going to put one on today, but I just explained why I will not be doing that. So we will have another day where I do that. And on the back right here, it's got the colors. Not sure why it's made like this. I wonder if it attaches to some of her other palettes. Because remember, she has those little tiny ones. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in here so that I remember. I have not put it on my face yet. That's how I'm doing my makeup from now on. If it has a box or a plastic wrap, it'll stay in that box or plastic wrap until I use it. Alright, Iconic London Beachside Babe Palette. This I looked at the other day and it looks so gorgeous. I just wanted to dip my fingers into it. Look at that. I want to touch it so bad. But you know what? What the hell? This color right here, Blue Lagoon, has been calling my name since the first time I opened it. And I just want to touch it. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. It's got purple flecks in it. Can y'all see that? That's the one I've been wanting to touch. That and Vacay Glow. Although it looks like a really, just a plain gold. Those two together are stunning. Nothing's duochrome that I can notice, which is why I'm going like that. Oh, my wrist. I forgot to put my brace on. I noticed my wrist is getting a little better, but then I flipped the mattress the other day, and it's been hurting ever since. But I don't have a lot of help when I'm trying to do stuff when I have help taking care of Eric outside. So that's 5 items. It's a really good one, and I think I'm not going to pick any of my items next time. I think I'm going to pick for me. I want to see what happens. I want to see what their picks are. I kind of want a surprise. What do y'all think? Would y'all just rather have a surprise, or would you like to know what you're getting? Because like on Boxycharm, we only got to pick one item. And the rest of it was a surprise. So to me, that was kind of nicer. Because it was like a mystery. This, I picked everything. Like, I didn't know who this was, but... And SL Miss Glam, I don't know why I picked brushes, but I think the other choices were not that great. So, I don't know. What are y'all thoughts on this box? Like, I kind of curated it, but I also want to know what y'all think about next month, not picking anything. Letting it just come to me. And let me know how you want me to do makeup reviews for foundation and concealers and primers from now on. Like, do you want me to do multiple day wear and try? Like, okay, it did good the first day, but oh, today it's raining, let me use it again. And like just do little check-ins on the community tab. Like, okay, I used it this one day and it was perfect. I did the video, and then I wear it on a day when it rains. Like, I see, because I live in Texas. It could be a hot, humid day, and then it could be a nice day, and then it rain, and then it's humid. I got many different avenues I could go down to test something, and it act up in a certain way for certain things. Like this, I don't know what's going on. I'm sitting in an air-conditioned house, and I literally only had it on for 45 minutes the first time, and it was horrible. And then the second time, I think now I might be at 45 minutes. But I'm going to go look at some reviews for these because this is odd. So maybe the niacinamide is breaking up the makeup. I don't know. That's the dangers of putting skincare in foundation and foundation-like products or primers. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's the sticky grip part, but everybody seems to like it. So, I'm rambling, and I just want to know what y'all think. So, I will see you soon, and I guess I'll be washing my brushes. At least some of them. I gotta go through them anyways. So, love y'all. See you in the next one. Bye.